I'm Saulcy, and this is the video introduction to Lesson 1 for ESL 5580 Practicum, and I will be teaching tomorrow on November 11th at Laramie Junior High School. In particular, I will be teaching 7th grade math. I am working with them to practice equations with positive and negative integers and using those types of numbers in conjunction with the order of operations and the acronym PEMDAS. I am teaching lessons at the direction of Corel Lotzer, who is the 7th grade math teacher at the junior high. My goal is to instruct the students as similarly to Corel in order to be consistent with what she does in her methods and in her lessons. Kevin is the sole ELL in the class. I have also observed Kevin in Dixie Brackman's ESL class. Although I do not have a WIDA score for him, it is my observation that he is an advanced beginner English speaker. His native language is Spanish. He does not often speak in class. I think that is partly due to the language challenges and partly because he has a reserved personality. Although Kevin is the only non-English speaker, the terminology and mathematical sentences are relatively new to all students. Therefore, I will review and instruct based on the fact that the terms and the PEMDAS acronym are new to Kevin, relatively speaking, to him and to his classmates. The materials that I am using are the teacher's manual for section 3.25 of the math textbook being used. I will also use a whiteboard and markers for both myself and for the students. Students will also have access to scratch paper and their math workbooks. If all goes well, students will gain confidence in their abilities to manipulate and integrate the integers and the order of operations. They will be able to recognize the terms, both written and orally, and the PEMDAS acronym, which is very important in junior high and high school math. In addition, they will also be able to apply these terms and the acronym. With regards to anticipated challenges, I anticipate possible issues with the video recording equipment. In fact, getting technology to cooperate has been the hardest part of this task. Hopefully, I am now sufficiently familiar with the video recording equipment and with hooking it up to my computer so that it can be used and viewed. Another concern I have is about my brain getting stuck, so to speak, and not being able to, at least somewhat immediately, recall a word. I am practicing my lesson at least a few times before I actually do the lesson in class. In the lesson, I am reviewing material previously covered by Corel. I will do a review at the beginning of class to access prior knowledge. I will have students who are clustered in groups of 4 around tables work together on problems, which we will also discuss in class. To help with retention, I will have students practice problems which require the order of operations in various ways to show that the order of operations can be applied or needs to be applied in many different ways, and that the PEMDAS acronym helps them to know which order to go in. Thank you.